Carburetor build time for JR66 Mustang. Got the correct 108 Venturi carburetor for it. It's had a 112 on it for quite a while, and that 112 is actually for 390, so it's been a little on the lazy side. This will wake it up. This is correct. Proper numbers. 1966 A-Code 4-barrel 289 Mustang. This is the correct carb. Time to rebuild it and clean her up. Alright. As you can see, 6ZE 1966. 108 Venturi. Dig in here, show you some more numbers in a second. It's a little bit dirty. We scored this one, but it's correct. So let's get into tearing her apart. First order of business, I'm going to pull the accelerator pump off, get that out of the way, get its rod off of there, and we'll come over here and disassemble the choke. Also take out the idle mixture, screws, and power valve as well. Alright, got the power valve cover off, got the accelerator pump disassembled. Look at this old diaphragm. Look at this. Crunchy. Definitely not original, but probably the second one that's been in here. Old gaskets. You go in the dip bucket. This guy comes apart. Son of a bitch, you come out now. It's hard to do this one-handed, in case you guys haven't noticed. Oh, there we go. Yeah, son of a bitch. Let me put the camera down. Alright, got those sons of bitches apart. So we're gonna get in here and do our screws here for our top cover. Dig in. Alright, got our screws off the top. Take out our ancient gasket. And it's actually fairly clean. Let me turn the one. Alright. Yeah, look how clean the bowls are for something that's been sitting for a very long time. The bowls are very, very clean. So we'll get our floats out and our needle and seats, get our Venturis out, get our boosters out. Digging in. Alright, got the screws out of the primary and secondary boosters. Those babies out. Actually in really nice shape. Quite impressed with how nice this carburetor is. It has been rebuilt before. There is a reman sticker. It looks like it says, where's it at? There you go. It's hard to read it, but it looks like it says 78 or 79. So it hasn't been rebuilt in a very long time. But it's in overall very nice shape. We'll be tearing into it. So, primary booster. See if I can get this gasket off. Yeah, it's gonna come off in pieces. Alright, get that ready for the dip. Secondary booster, gasket coming off. Alright, look good there. Get that ready for the dip. Spider webs, miss BS. primary. And let me turn the light on. There's check balls. You can see it. Check balls in both. We'll get those out. Pull these floats out. Alright, popped it out. Used a little flathead action just to pop that off. But that's good to go. Remember, the spring was around there to kind of lock it. I'm going to set that down as an assembly for now. I got jets. There's your power valve. We'll get the other side apart here. Disassemble everything all at once. Alright, got the rear jets out. Looks like 5.9 F. So that's what came out of the rear. There's 2 of those. In the bucket with you. We have some jets up here in the front too. Obviously, primary and secondary. Come on. Get in there. Alright, got the primary jets out. They say 47F. And they're also stamped on the top instead of the side. So makes it quite a bit easier when we assemble it in the dip bin with you. So I'm just going to get the needle and seat assemblies out. Gonna get the old power valve out, these 2 check balls, and we will begin this assembly here. Alright, pulled the pin out for the vacuum secondary diaphragm. Hear that? Here's just a little pin. Got plenty of those anyway. So we'll disassemble back here the vacuum secondaries. So the cover's off, the spring is off for the diaphragm. Diaphragm's actually still in pretty good shape for its age. But we're gonna turn her over, and there's a little clip in there that we gotta pop off so we can pull the diaphragm and the spring, not the spring, but pull it from the arm rather, then get the arm out. We'll move forward. Alright, let's get our choke taken apart here. Undo this pin right here. Undo the 3 screws. I believe there's 3. Is there 3 or there 2? 1, 2, and 3. Right there. Remember, there's a gasket that lives in here, guys. So when you reassemble, you're gonna need that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this apart. Show you what we got inside. Alright, chokes off and apart. Got our misc parts ready for the dip. Not misc parts, but you guys know what I mean. Main body is in the dip. Doing its thing. And of course our top plate, it's in. We'll turn it over. You know, it's like a good steak. You gotta flip it at least once. But all this stuff's soaking. This is just barium and chem dip. Just let it sit. 2 big cans and a big tub. Way better than trying to wedge stuff in those little itty bitty cans. Next time you see this carb, guys, it's gonna all be laid out on the table. Everything will be clean and ready to assemble.